I said Jerome in the house. I said Jerome in the house. I said Jerome in the house. Out, watch your mouth. Oh, what's going on, Tactical Family? It's your boy Tunchi, and we're here to show y'all one of my new EDC Glock 47 Gen 5 is. Yeah, boy. But right now we're gonna do some concealed draws from the waist inside the waistband, just to get used to the new gun and pulling from concealment. Let's get it. Threat. Threat. Ah. Oh, if you want any Hum Diddy merch, it'll be down in the description, baby. Call me Quick Jaw McGraw. Ha! Fucked up. That is my Glock 47, baby. Yes, sir. She hot. Aye. It's my Glock 47. Tell me what you think. Did I make a right decision? I think I did. I like it.